Alright, welcome guys to this second episode of this tutorial series. And yeah, today is the simple comment system, or today we're gonna try to make a simple comment system. And yeah, so first you need some animations again. You need to watch this part now because it's important. If you don't do this, it's not gonna work. So I would suggest you have 4 attack animations and then go into each of your attack animations. Go to the part where he would hit the enemy and create a new animation event and call this animation event hit. Alright, you see this? Here is a new animation event that's called hit. Then save your animation. And do this first of all for every animation. So another animation event hit. And here also hit. And here also a hit. Okay, then let's go into replicated storage, go into our animations folder, then into our source folder, and create a new folder called tagging, and then create 4 new keyframes, 4 new animation objects for our first swing, our second swing, our third swing, and our fourth swing. Then you can get the animation ID of your attack animation, swing animations, and paste them into here. Alright, and after you've done this, now let's create a new folder called events, and add a new event called new remote event called punch. Or you can call it swing because we have a sort. And then go into your startup player script and create a new local script. Let's call it combat client. Then let's start scripting. So local replicate storage is game get service replicated storage. Then local remotes is our our folder, events folder in replicated storage. Then our swing event is our swing remote event. So remote wait for child swing. Okay. And then we also need our user input service. So URS is game get service user input service. Okay. Then user input service dot input begin connect function our key and check if we are typing or not. Okay then. If we are typing, then we won't want to continue this. But if our key is enum dot user input type dot mouse button 1, so when we press the mouse button 1, then we want to fire the remote event. So swing event fire server. Oh, hey, Liam from editing here. This is really important because normally this would just work without even equipping the sword. So you need to check one more thing, and that's if our service players local player character find first child sword. So we need to check if we can find something that's named sword in our player, because when we have the sword equipped, it's inside of our character. So this is really important if you want to have, so right now you can't M1, but with the sword equipped, you can M1. Now enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, then let's create a new script inside of here, and let's call it combat server. What is the script? Alright, wait, let me just rename it to sword server. Isn't important, but yeah. Okay, then, but in our combat server, let's actually set something up first. So create another script in server script service and call it, let's just call it player stop. And then get all players. So again, get service players, and then players, player edit, connect function, and then get our player here. So what we want to do now is apply all the attributes to our character when he spawns in, because we are going to use attributes for this series. So player.character edit, connect function, character, and then character set attribute, and we need a combo attribute to know at which combo we are. Then we need a stunt attribute, blocking okay, we're gonna have the blocking attribute later, but a stunt attribute that's false. Then what we also want is, we can get an attack attribute. Oops. And maybe an attacking attribute. And let's also get, because we are gonna use ragdolls later, and is ragdoll attribute. Okay, this should be all the attributes for now. Okay, now let's go into our combat server and do something here. So first of all, let's also get replicate storage again. Get service, replicate storage. We can even simply copy this one because we also want to get our remote vent. Boom. Okay. What you can also get is our animations folder. Okay, so local animations is replicate search, wait for child, animations. And to be more specific, we can even get the attacking folder animation. So attacking animations is animations, wait for child, sword, wait for child, attacking. Okay. Okay. We can even, let's just to make it prettier, like this. Okay. services, folders, events. Okay. You can also even get a sound service already, because we are gonna need some sound slider. And we are also gonna need the debris service, I can already tell, to destroy stuff. And no, it should be enough for now. Okay. Oh. Okay. One more thing, maybe. We need some, let's call it settings. So local, let's call it max combo is 4, and our local damage is, let's say, 2 damage or 3 damage. Okay. So, swing event on server event, connect function. We are gonna get the player here. So, player. And then we first want to check something. Or first let's get our character. So, player character. Then we can also get our humanoid. So, character, wait for child, humanoid. And get our humanoid root part. So, character, wait for child, humanoid, root part. Okay, then we're gonna need to check something. So, because we are applying the attributes to our character, we want to check if, let's say, our attacking attribute is false. So, local attacking is first for our character, get attribute attacking. Then we also want to do that for our stand, attacked, and is reactor attribute. So stunned, attacked, and attacked, stunned, and is reactor. Okay, so attacked, stunned, and is reactor. Okay. Then, if, oh no, if attacking or attacked or stunned or is ragdoll, then return end. So if one of them is true, we don't want to try to attack. You know? Okay. But if not, then we are just gonna continue. So we will set our character's attacking attribute to true, and also our you know what? We maybe need another one. Let's call it swing. And set also this one to true. Okay. Then let's actually, yeah, okay. So let's create a new folder inside of server storage and call it modules. So we have one modules folder in replicate storage and one in server storage, because we only want to access this from the server. Let's add a new module and call it combat module. Alright. Then in here, let's create a new function that's called change combo. So module.change combo is function, and another function that's called stop animations. For this one we will need a character, and for this one we will need a humanoid. Okay, now let's actually script those functions. Okay, we even want to make another function and call this one get swing animation. Okay, but first let's make our change combo function. Okay, so local replicate storage is game get service replicate replicate storage, and our animations folder is oh yeah, right. Animations is replicated storage, wait for child animations. Okay. Then let's also create a new table that's called last swing. Yeah. And so put like those curly brackets here. And let's also get our combo thingy here. Okay. Okay. So first we want to get our combo. So local combo is character get attribute and combo. Then let's also no, we don't need it. So if last swing character, then local has time. So this is important for resetting the combo and stuff, what we are gonna do now. RS dot log. Yeah, you can see what it does here, what it does. It's important. Minus our last swing. Oop. Put those square brackets here. Then if the pass time is smaller or is 1, then I want to check if our combo is bigger or is our max combo or the same as our max combo. And if that's so, we want to set our combo attribute to 0 to 1. So pretty much resetting our combo. If that's not so if we are not at the last combo, we want to set it to our current combo. Also to set our current combo. We want to set our current combo plus 1. So we go on to the next combo. Okay, and if the pass time is also bigger than 1, we also want to set our combo to 1. Yeah. Okay. Then let's do last swing. Character is again our OS clock. Okay. Then let's get into let's write our get swing animation function. So for this we will actually need our character, our player, and our character. Okay. So first let's get the combo actually again. Then let's actually get our punching animations, but or swing animations. But we can actually do that at the top. So animations, hit for child, sword, hit for child, attacking, get children. Okay, then no, okay. Let's make something for our current animation, and then let's do the actual script. So if combo is not local, so if combo is the same as max combo, then we want to let our current animation be our wait, it's actually okay, we need to rename those. Oh yeah, we should rename those. Oh, actually not. Let's just say swing and like this. So what we're doing now, we are setting our current combo to the swing animation that has the number from our combo. So the script will look into this folder and check if there's something named swing, and then if it has the same number as our combo. So if we're at our first combo, it will get this. Yeah. And if it's like not the max combo, I can actually just do it like this. Yeah. And then actually just return our current animation already. Oh no, yeah, let's do it like this. Okay. And then for our stop animations function, we simply just want to get all of our animations. So for I, v in pairs, humanoids, get playing animation tracks. Do, and we will just stop those playing animation tracks. Again, Liam from editing here, so make sure that in your comment module you add this line. Oh, again Liam from editing here, you should write this, because return end would stop stopping the other animation, so it wouldn't stop all animations. So better write it like this. Okay, thank you. So we don't want to stop our idle animation, but then also make sure to set your idle animations priority to actually to idle, and add it again so that after we did our swings, we don't go back into the basic idle animation, we actually go back into our custom idle animation. So let me show it you real quick. So when we did our swings and we go back into this idle animation. and actually can also remove the basic tool idle animation. So go into your character, get this, copy it, then paste it into starter character, go into tool none, and just change this to 0. And it won't even matter, because there isn't an idle animation for it anymore, and it won't at all interfere with this animation. So yeah, really simple. Okay, then let's go back into our combat server, and let's create, let's rename this to folders, I forgot, and let's get our modules folder. So server modules is, actually let's get our server storage here. So local ss is game get service server storage. Then server storage read for child modules dot, what do you call it? Yeah, dot combat module. But because we need to require modules, let's do it like this. Oh, my bad. Let's create another section and call this one modules. And let's just get our, let's make a variable for our server. Yeah, wait. So our server modules is this folder, and our combat module, server combat module, is our combat module inside of server storage. Okay, then let's continue here. Okay, so we get our server combat module, change combo, and we needed the character. Yep, and the same for our stop animations function, but here we need a humanoid. Okay, then let's actually also set our character's walk speed lower while he is attacking. So humanoid.walk speed, let's say 10, and humanoid.jump height is also 0. Okay. This also, I don't think, maybe I'm gonna make the ragdoll in this episode, but local ragdoll is false. We're gonna definitely need that later. Okay, now let's actually get an hitbox module. So you're gonna find this hitbox module in the description and just take it and import it into your game. So wait a second, I'm just gonna find it right here. Yeah, this one. There's gonna be a link in the description. So let's also put this one into our modules folder. It's it's a hitbox module. You can find the creator and this model in the description. Okay. So continue here. We want to actually create a new hitbox. So new hitbox. This combat system is also inspired by him. So yeah, our new hitbox. We first need we first need to get the module. So hitbox module is our tomato hitbox. So, new hitbox is tomato is hitbox module dot new, and we need our player. Oh, do we need our player? Wait a second. I actually don't think we need our player. No, we actually don't. My bad. But yeah, he basically explains how all of this works in his video. So, new hitbox. Oh. And new hitbox dot size. Let's say we want to have a pretty big hitbox, so 666. That's yeah, this is this size. Well, yeah, you can configure it how you want. Then our new hitbox dot C-frame is our humanoids we say C-frame, and the offset of the hitbox is let's say minus 2.5. So this one would normally be inside of our humanoid, but we changed the offset to 2.5, so yeah, it would be pretty much be in front of him. Okay. Then new hitbox dot on touch is function and our enemy's humanoid. That's just how the hitbox module works. And if our enemy humanoid is not, so this is not a minus, this is I don't know if I can see it here, but yeah, this is not a minus. I can do it by pressing Control, Alt, and the plus key. That's how I create this one, if you're wondering. But if our enemy humanoid is not our humanoid, then we will want to also check if our enemy humanoid's parent isn't attribute, isn't vectored, or actually we maybe want to attack them if they're vectored, or maybe not. That's a bit unfair. So if vector is true, or our enemy's humanoid health is lower or is 0, so if he's pretty much dead, or actually nothing else, if he's vectored or his health is at 0, we want to end all of this, so don't want to continue. Okay, then we get our enemy's first of all, our enemy's character. So, and our enemy's character is just a humanoid's parent, and we want to get our enemy's humanoid root part. So this is the enemy characters. Wait for child. Humanoid root part. Okay. Then let's get something. Let's get the distance between our enemy's humanoid and our humanoid root part. Our humanoid. So center is enemy humanoid root part dot position minus our humanoid's root part position and dot unit. Okay. And our strength, this is important for the knockback and yeah, basic for the knockback. Our strength is 10. Strength. Yeah, I forgot the T here. Yeah. Okay. Then right. We want to have hit animation, so let's create another, or let's just duplicate this for the and call it hit, and change all of them to hit 1, hit 2, hit 3, and hit 4. Okay, I actually don't have any hit animations, but I still want to do it, so let's actually get some from the toolbox. Get hit animation. Oh, let's maybe take another one. So let's. This is not a hit animation. Punch animation and getting hit animation. Okay. Hit hard. Got it. Okay, we're just gonna take this one. I'm too lazy to animate something by myself, but you can of course do it, and let's just have this animation for all of the hit object animation objects, so we have just the same hit animation. But then we will check here if our characters don't we already have that? Oh no, we don't. But then let's get our characters combo. Current combo is our characters get attribute combo. Then if our current combo is 1, then we want to load our hit animation onto the enemy. So let's say enemy human dot animator load animation animations dot, what did I call it, attack and sound dot hit dot hit 1, and we'll play it. So make sure that your dummy actually has an animator object inside of his humanoid. Every player has gonna have it automatically, but not dummies. Okay. Then let's check if our current combo maybe is 2. Then we want to play the second hit animation. Same for the first and fourth hit. So hit 4 and hit 3. Okay. Then this is again important for the rector, basically, but also for the normal knockback. We'll check if our character's combo, so our current combo, is the same as the max combo. And if it is, then we will make our rector true and set our strength to 35. So we want to have a bigger knockback. And then we will actually calculate the knockback, so local knockback. Local knockback is our center times our strength. Strength. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Then we actually need a new module. I'm also gonna link this in the description. The post from where I found it, I guess. So yeah, check that out. I'm just gonna cut it here and then we continue. Okay, so I actually couldn't find the post to it, but I have this pastebin. So copy this pastebin stuff. Then go into your game again. Go into here. Let's create a new module. Call it hit service. And paste this code into here. But we're gonna need to actually have some more modules. So we actually need this stunt handler. So wait a second, I'm gonna cut again, then I'm gonna have this stunt handler prepared. Right, so then you want to get the stunt handler from this post. Here's the link to it. Then just go into your game again and drag your stun handler into here. Stun handler. Oh, wait. Wasn't it? Where is it? Did I even? I mean, I should have it, yeah. Here it is. So drag your stun handler also into here. And I actually made some changes to the hit service pro, so yeah, please change your code a bit to match this one. So yeah, please change your code. It's just to work with my ragdoll script and to have some other small changes. Okay. Yeah. Alright, sure. We can also make an iframes attribute. This and check here if this is also not true. So we also don't want to attack or damage our enemy if he has iframes. Iframes like this. Okay. Then let's finally continue here. So I'm gonna link the stun handler and the pastebin to this hit service that you still need to change something from in the description. Okay. And of course to the tomato hitbox module too. Then let's actually get our hit service module first here. So hit service module is server modules hit service, and then do what did I hit service module dot hit, and we first need our enemy humanoid, the damage, then the stun duration, so let's say 2 seconds, or maybe 1.75. Then our knockback, so because our knockback can be different, knockback. Then our ragdoll, to check if we want to ragdoll our enemy or not. and the rectal duration, which is just gonna be the same as the stun duration. Okay, but now we still need to add our rectal script. So I know I'm gonna there's also gonna be another link in the description. It's also just gonna be another model that you then can get from the marketplace, and it's just gonna be the rectal script. So let me cut the video and prepare this already, because it's my rectal script. So okay, you're gonna find this one then from the marketplace, and let's add this to your game inside of starter character script. We can actually delete this one, and wait a second. I'm actually just gonna have to update the module. This one, maybe, because actually what? Let it stay there. Wait a second. So there's then gonna be a module, a model that you're gonna take from the marketplace. I'm gonna link that down in the description, where you have this folder that you're gonna drag into our SFX sound service folder, and to vector 6 script itself, you drag it in starter character script. Okay. Okay. So now that we have all of this finally set up, we can continue, because now we have everything we even need. Okay, so okay, because we want to we also want to add a knockback for our character itself. So if our current combo is again not the max combo, then we just want to add a little body velocity to our player. So BF is body velocity. The max force of the body velocity is vector free math dot huge 0 and 0, and again math dot huge. Then the E is 100,000. The velocity is our knockback, and the parent of the body velocity is our humanoid will part, and we want to add this to our player for 0.2 seconds. Okay, let's actually script the part now where we want to enable our hitbox. So local swing animation is our combat server combat module dot get swing animation, and we need our player for that and our character for that. I think we needed that. Yeah, our player and our character. Then play swing animation. We are nearly finished with this tutorial. Is humanoid load. Oh, humanoid dot animator. Don't forget that. Load animation. Our swing animation. Then let's actually save it real quick. Save to Roblox. Then play swing animation dot keyframe reached connect function. Again, our keyframe. So if keyframe is hit that we did earlier, created earlier, we want to set our tagging from our character actually to false. Yeah, and then spawn our or activate our hitbox. Okay, so pass.spawn function. If our character is not stunned, if not character get attribute stunned, then new hitbox dot not dot colon or whatever it's called, those 2 points. New hitbox start, and after 1 second, 0.1 second, we want to stop the hitbox and destroy the hitbox. And if we're stunned, then we just want to stop the hitbox and destroy it. Okay. Then, if our current combo, oh, I don't have that here. So let's just say character get attribute combo is max combo. Then we want to wait 1 second. It's just 0.05 seconds, and set our characters set attribute, our punch attribute, swing attribute, not punch, to false. Okay. And now just a few more lines. So play swing animation dot stopped. So when the swing animation is over, we want to reset our player's walk speed to 16, and our humanoids or players jump height to 7.2 again. And then we want to also want to play our play animation, play our swing animation, and let's even play a swing sound. So let's get a new sound. Let's call it swing, but we need a new sound ID. Yeah, let's just take this one. And you can go into your sword server, just copy those lines where we played the sound there, and paste them under here. Call it sword swing sound or something like that. And our sound servers, wait for child SFX, wait for child sword, wait for child swing. Oh. Swing clone. And add this again to our humanoid and destroy it after 1 second. Alright, let's test if this actually works. But one more thing. We also don't want to attack if we are swinging currently. So, or swing, then return end. Okay. Now it's actually tested. Probably there's an error. I could imagine that. Okay. Load animation requires an animation object. Okay. So apparently it didn't get any animation. Then it's actually is it even swing animations? Attacking. Let's actually just set this one to change this one to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and try it out again. But this now shouldn't be the problem. Yeah. Why is it not getting the animation object? Swing animations come up. Let's actually reverse this. We also don't need our character there. Yeah, our player there, so also go into here again and remove the player here. But what is wrong? I don't get it. Yeah, I think I know why. Let's actually remove get children from the swing animations. And let's try it out again. Could be the problem, but actually not sure. Oh, okay, wait. We don't want to set our combo to 0. So I'll set our combo here to 1, not to 0. Yeah, okay. Okay, the animations need to load first of all. But as you can see, it works. So our hitbox is spawning. But okay, something with the damage is wrong. Okay. First of all, I misspelled that, okay. Here, enemy, but something his position is not a valid member part of my humanoid part. Oh, I misspelled that. Position. Oh, okay, I'm dumb. Yeah, okay, we need a script also for loading the animations before, maybe. Okay, as you can see, it works. But, yeah, oh. Oops. That is for later something. But let's actually, because I didn't set up any reactor script for dummies yet, let's just test it with another player. So let's start a new game basically with another player, because for players the reactor should work. So bam, 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 and yeah, it worked out. Okay. And let's actually... He can't attack while he's while he's like that. So bam, bam. He also can't attack now because he's still stunned. Alright. This was a pretty long video for the attacking, but I hope you understood everything. Yeah. I don't know why the animations are like this then, but isn't that important right now actually, so yeah. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any questions or anything, ask them in the Discord or maybe in the comments. I can tell you one thing: if you don't want the hitboxes to be visible, go into the into here and change here the hitbox transparency. Okay, this was everything. Have a great day. Bye.